Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Deep Godhani and currently working as a software engineer at Microsoft. In today's video, I will be sharing my experience on how I got into Microsoft. I will be discussing three major points in the today's video. First, preparation. Second, interview process. And third, you can watch the video till end, you will definitely know about it. Starting with preparation. To understand this, we need to go back to my second year, fourth semester. Around 8 months before my interview with Microsoft. I just started doing competitive programming. I was giving contests on different platforms like Codeforces, CodeChefs, and sometimes even on HackerEarth. And then my semester exams were coming near. And along with that, course projects were also pending, and my concentration started to divide between the contests and semester study. And slowly I went away from contest, and the number of contests that I was giving had started to decrease. But later, just 3 months before the interviews, I thought to change my process from contest based learning to concept based learning. Now I started doing DSA, data structures and algorithm, along with object oriented programming. I used to use lead code and interview bit for data structures and algorithm, and used to do object oriented programming and other CS core concepts like DBMS and operating systems using gigs for gigs. That's all from preparation side. Let us move towards the next part of the video, that is interview process. So Microsoft was the first company visiting on our campus for the internship interviews. Microsoft had 5 rounds in total. First round was coding round, where we had 3 coding questions on one platform divided into 2 sections. First section had 2 questions which I would say they were easy to moderate in difficulty, while the second section had only 1 question, but it was slightly more difficult as compared to the previous questions. Now after the first round, we had second round of group fly round, which we can say as pen paper round. So we were given 2 questions in this round. One was from linked list and second was from trees. They were slightly more difficult as compared to the questions that were in coding round. This was the major elimination round. Very few people got shortlisted in this round. Now there were the final 3 rounds, which were interview rounds, 2 technical rounds and 1 HR round. In my first technical round, I was asked one question about designing. I had to design a max heap using the array. And second question was based on one greedy algorithm, which was pretty simple. Later the interviewer also asked me about the core subject like operating system, and we discussed some concepts of operating system. This was all for my first interview. Now moving towards my second interview. It went around 40 to 45 minutes long. I had 2 coding questions to solve in this interview. First was adding 2 linked lists in reverse order, and second was rotating a matrix by 90 degree in clockwise and anti-clockwise both. Along with these 2 coding questions, I was also asked about my projects, where interviewer asked me about what was the distribution among the team members of the project, what project was based on, what problem it was solving, and what were the challenges that we faced. These were some of the questions that were asked in the interviews. This was all for the second round. Now moving towards the last round, that is HR round, where I was asked few behavioral questions, and we also discussed about my projects, where he asked me to show my application, the Android application that I have made, and asked other technical and non-technical terms related to the Android application that I have made. This HR round went around approximately 45 minutes. This was all about preparation and interview process that I had with Microsoft. Now moving towards the most important part of the video, that is my learnings through this interview process. First is project matters. Try to do 2 or 3 projects, because projects gives you extra edge over the other students. You can discuss about your projects with the interviewer and show them that you do carry the technical and non-technical skills required as a software engineer. Second is try to read more and more about previous interview experiences. It will help you to know what are the company's requirements and what the company asks in the interview processes and make your interview easier. And also try to read more about the company that you are interviewing, because it will help you to know why you are a perfect fit for the company. And finally, the most important point, that is try to be confident and honest, because being confident and honest shows the interviewer that you do carry the skills that are required for being a part of their company. That is all from my side in this video. Please like the video if you feel content was helpful, and subscribe for more such content. See you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.